With meticulous attention to detail and a location second to none, you're going to absolutely love living down here at Leighton Beach in North Fremantle. This apartment has so much to offer. 2 really good sized bedrooms, big open plan living, and look at this view behind me. This is yours all year round and it's all north facing. Going hand in hand with the location down here is the quality of these apartments. You've got tallow wood flooring, you've got travertine stone, floor to ceiling windows, double glazed. You really have to come down and see it for yourself. This is a luxury apartment right on Leighton Beach. Be part of the thriving North Fremantle community.